Mama prayer break, sugar and chain. You raise the sun and eliminate pain. Mama prayer break, blessing flow. Prosperity and success grow. So pray, mama, pray, mama, that child my chapel is away. Pray, mama, pray, mama, pray, mama, that child my chapel is away.
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we mother than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom, you know.
I mean, I said the mark represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch nothing hear that. Them mark say that. Oh no.
Yeah, this is the Usual Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me they are. Whoa. You know the style me there. I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Yo, Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him, praise Him. With Mama praise. With my mama praise. Satan, run away. All the mothers, I have something for the mothers. Is there any mothers in the house? That's there. Is there any mothers in the house? I'm sure there's mothers that can take care of me. So it's what I appreciate the mothers to respect my baby. So it's a little closer, because I'm going to tell you something. Yeah, man, now I can eat. Oh yeah, now the things sound a little better. Yes, I was inspired by my mom to write this song, and I'd like to dedicate this song to all the praying mothers, all the prayer warrior mothers. This one dedicated to you, and it goes something like this. Pray, mama. With my mama. Run away. You know what? Mama prayer break, shake Do you know the powers of prayer? Do you know the powers of prayer? But if you know, as I know, you won't do. As I know, you won't get down and you will pray. Just on the strength I won't be the way. The mountains of fire I can stand. Pray, mama, pray, mama, pray, mama, wash out my troubles away. ILEY! Prayer and will come in, jobless redemption song. But I know it's time we could be the good, you know. Nobody always said you never saw me. Nobody always said you never saw me. But I said you never saw me. I'm in my mind, I'm big. You know the morning, I never said you never saw me. I'm in my mind, that's what people are doing. Go on, man. We said you never saw me. People they preach like jealousy, they got it all the rest they never show me. They got it all the rest they never show me. But I was saying they never show me. I make people in my life they cry, I was saying they never show me. People like to be poor and we send to it another truth. Jump when they jump in the race. Jump, all them up in the money days. Jump when they jump on fire in the race.
Engineer, the mic is gonna string me. All right, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for John David, aka ILEY.
This is Lucian Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. All right.
Good.
Kings of Kings promotion. Enough respect. Give thanks for the great show and the turnout and the people really supported Kings of Kings promotion. And I was just honored to be a part of this and this promotion.
Blessed love.
It's an honor. Kings of Kings
Blessed
promotion.
love. Kings of
Charles
Kings.
David, enough respect. Mr. Charles
Kings of
David.
Kings.
Honor. Kings of Kings.
Yes, Kings of Kings. Bless up.
Bless.
Yeah, messenger.